Hey guys, it's Eric with LeatherSeats.com. In today's tech tip video, I'm going to be showing you the easiest and safest way to cut the rectangular hole for mounting the switch in our Sanctum seat ventilation system. All right guys, that's about it. That whole process took me about 8 to 10 minutes. There are definitely faster ways to cut the hole. If you use a Dremel or a die grinder, you can definitely get it done faster, but there's more risk involved with that. As far as doing it safely, I definitely recommend using files, basically starting with drilling a hole and ending with a file. That way you can take tiny bits of material away until the switch fits just about perfectly. The other big key is having the switch cutting bezel that we provide with the Sanctum seat ventilation system. If you guys have any questions, be sure to give us a call at 866-NEW-SEAT. You can also email us at sales@leatherseats.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.